Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. In today's video, we have the 84th flyover of the Nikola site in Coolidge, Arizona. Today's expected high temperature is a mere 100 degrees. Temp when we flew was about 92 degrees. Skies are cloudy and we started flying about 9 a.m. Today we had a very special guest with us today and joined us while we were doing our flyovers at Nikola and over Lucid. That special guest was Brian from My Tesla Weekend. Brian is driving around the western US looking at EV related things and will be putting out some videos in the coming weeks about his travels. Check out his channel at the link in the description below to see some of that information. He does updates on mostly Tesla and sometimes Nikola and other EV related news. And he also puts out really strange videos where he's counting cars and toilets. So take a look at that. We had some interesting encounters at the site today, at both sites. We ran into an executive from Nikola at the site and he stopped to say hello. Very friendly and very passionate about the work that's being done there. The Lucid encounter, we will have the details of that in that video, but I can promise you there are a lot more juicy details with that one. Just want to touch briefly on the Trevor Milton news. My opinion of this, it was going to happen, it's now happened, and it's just one step closer to closure on this. If you're surprised about this and dumped your stock, you should have been paying more attention. Nikola, the company, is not being investigated, has cooperated with all investigations, and has one focus now: build the trucks. Every time Milton has something pop up in the news over this, the stock might drop, but that's just a buy opportunity. If you believed in the company yesterday, believe in them tomorrow. It's just another step closer to putting this in the past. Now back to the factory. Someone has suggested the materials going in around the panels were trim work. That does make sense, and from our perspective in the sky, it's sometimes hard to see. Another reminder, this coming weekend, we're going to Texas. We'll be doing a flyover at the Tesla gigafactory outside of Austin and meeting with a member of the Quad Squad. So there'll be no video on Sunday for Nikola, but we will have an interesting Lucid video later today. We want to thank our latest Patreon, Angel. We appreciate you. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more content like this in the future, please hit the subscribe button. And check us out on Twitter at Bear's Workshop. Now, let's go fly.